always ate at when they were trainees.
어디론가 향하는 방탄의 발걸음이 유난히 신나 보이는데. 아하, 먹방 타임이로구나. 이 식당이 방탄 추천 맛집이라는데 맞나요?
저희 진짜 연습생 때 항상 여기를 다녔었고.
And I was here yesterday, but they were already closed, and there was only one customer in there, and it was their choreographer. Really random. I'm with my friend Alina. So I got the black pork bibimbap, and apparently that's what all of the members except for Suga ordered. Yoongi ordered the sausage.
보시면 아시겠지만 쌈밥이 돌솥 비빔밥에 들어가요.
But it's about dinner time, so it's pretty full in here. But this place is a literal shrine of BTS, and it's literally crazy. I'm gonna eat this, and it looks really, really good. But then afterwards, I'll show you guys around. Instead of hongdae, the soju, it says hongdae. That's really cute.
She just wanna feel the high, but she ain't made no sacrifice. She gon' go and act sublime. Said she always scrutinized. Problems look small when you at these heights.
You like go to a website called Oppa Card, so you can do make a card. Here, come closer. MTV. We're gonna do it in English, and you just upload a picture. So I saved some pictures from Twitter, and also some of my followers sent me pictures to make into cards. You can like scale the card, so that's why I tried to find like a good quality picture. So this one is like Suga getting drenched by water, and we love that. I'm just gonna type in Soljik shop because that was the show that we went to, and then agree obviously, and then you check, and then you get a QR code and you scan it. Okay, scan it. Right. So the picture that we chose is right there, and it says like a caption too. So then credit card. They don't take coins or 50s. They only take 1s and 5s. So that kind of sucks. It kind of takes a long time to make, but like that's understandable. They're making you a whole card. The people inside are like looking at you filming me, and I'm like really embarrassed right now. Okay, so we got the card, and it's nice and warm. So this is what it looks like. Yeah! So now I'm just like gonna make a bunch. Thanks for watching. Okay, there's the engineering center, and we're following this triangular house thing. That's the building we're supposed to go to. They said triangular entrance. We thought that, but really it's this. The stairs. Oh my god. Either we're just really bad at directions, or multiple people wrote the wrong directions. It was really hard, but we made it. the snow that if you come here, you're gonna get bitten. I have like 4 or 5 already, 4 or 5 bug bites, but it's still fun. You can take some cool pictures here. They're pretty edgy. Here's a chimney. And then somewhere, bugs. It says BTS there. It says ARMY right there. And it says forever because young forever. There is a shooky here. Oh, so many bugs. I think because it's summer. If we were here in like the winter, it'd be fine.
Imagine how it would be with snow and everything.
Oh, that'd be kind of cool. Lastly, this little pavilion thing. I kind of want to climb on the rooftop, but I don't know how. I'm sure there's a way. Do you think this is the same height as that is? You know what? It's okay because I can just hang and then drop. So we good.
Okay.
Ready for some acrobats?
Do you need help? Do you need help? Are you sure? Wait, let me. Oh, damn. She's strong.
How far, like how high up are my feet right now?
Like a human size.
A human size? Okay.
I mean,
Daredevil. Area code, the 6788.
Fuck.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Hair looks like totally crazy, but we're in Haunted Pizza, and it's really cool. The walls are cool. We got the last table with this so that I could take some pictures. So we both got the sweet potato pizza, and this stuff is like kind of sweet, but it's like Korean's like that sweet potato thing going on.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true numb. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul,